6:30 in the morning, but I thought that might be time to get some video because nobody's up besides us probably. I don't even think Starbucks is opening up. What? That's crazy. Oh my gosh, it's pouring the rain. Wow.
There's gonna be no pig swim day. That's going on.
That'd be better.
I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, we had pigs. I don't know. We had the pig swim scheduled today. And there's the moving mirror, huh? You see it moving. There's this thing now in motion. We've been on a cruise ship when it was raining. It looks like it's clearing up though, so that's a plus. Here's the view from our balcony.
Perfect day, Coco Cay.
Down on Coco Cay, there's a boat on bay, weathered by the years of wind and waves. It's where I like to go to unwind nice and slow and listen to the rhythm of the ocean softly play. And the bun and the rum makes me come undone with that umbrella drink in my hand. You're out here, the best plans are making no plans. And it's gonna be a good bet that I'm gonna see sunset, and I can climb on up and count down all the worries I'm bound to forget, and let that turquoise tonic take them all away. Down on Coco Cay. Down on Coco Cay, all the palm trees sway and tell lost stories from sailors of yesterday. And at the Cabana bar,
we're waiting on the pig tour.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if we're going on with the boats. You do? Yeah. So we'll be going here in a few. I don't even know what time it is. Probably about 5, I think. We had to meet at 9:15 and starts at 9:30. Little boat thingy on the way to the piggies. We got our little VIP seats.
there's a boat on bay, weathered by the years of wind and waves. It's where I like to go to unwind nice and slow and listen to the rhythm of the ocean softly play. And the bun and the rum makes me come undone with that.
I need to get a picture just like I got.
He likes you.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Get it?
You want to try to eat my camera?
Well, we're about ready to head back to Coco Cay, and that was so much fun, so worth the money.
With that umbrella drink in my hand, you're out here, the best plans are making no plans. And it's gonna be a good bet that I'm can climb on up and count down all the worries I'm bound to forget, and let that turquoise tonic take them all away. Down on Coco Cay, down on Coco Cay.
Swimming with the pig tour is really a must. I mean, I loved it. I love pigs though, so.
Yeah, it was great. I had a good time.
Oh, it was. Love the little piglets. Remind me of my baby Tucker because it was squealing. That's what he does. But definitely, I know we'll come back, but I want to do it again.
Yeah.
For sure. And go early too because they were really hungry, and like by the time towards the end of it, it seemed like they were swimming away. So definitely go early. But we forgot to put sunblock or anything on, so hopefully we didn't get roasted. But we're about to go to the water park. I'm drinking I don't remember what it's called. Goomba something, Goombay something, yeah. Bar at Coco Cay.
Yeah, the pool is actually padded. Stairs are padded, everything. I mean, it gives. It's so cool. I'm jealous. I wish ours was like that at home. Don't you? When you go underwater, they actually have music playing underwater. You can hear it. I was wondering if you can hear it on the speaker of the GoPro. We'll find out, of course, when we listen back at it. But it's pretty cool. Why the bar area is complete chaos. I'm not sure.
Everybody's drunk,
Yeah. We haven't drank at all today because I drank some last night. Taking a break and I'm cramping up bad today.
So it's just crazy over there.
But the amusement, or not the amusement park, the water slides, that was just a long wait. I was going to do Daredevils. It was over an hour. It was about an hour wait. And I'm on vacation. I really, really don't want to wait in line for all that. So, but. Now this is the life. This should be every day. All day, every day.
Win the lottery.
Yeah. This is the life.
Yeah, it is.
Here we go. Alright. Yep. Yeah. Throw your back out.
I could almost walk Perfect day at Coco Cay. We're leaving Coco Cay. We had a good time today, for sure. Waving down there. We just got back from Coco Cay and we got this in our room. This is from the Royal Caribbean people, which is very nice. And a happy anniversary thing to us, so sweet.
We're literally almost dead middle.
Yeah, we are. We are on our way just to explore the ship a little bit, and I double booked our chair thingies, or lounge chair things we had. You only have to book it for one person, or one lounger, because it's for 2 people. I booked it for both of us, so we got 4 people, but she said I could get a refund. And tonight we're going to the, how do you say it? Zumi?
Zoomy, yeah.
Zumi?
Yep.
It's a Japanese hibachi place, so we're going to do that for our specialty dine tonight. There's a little pup pet area. We are going to Zumi or something like that. Zumi or whatever.
Oh yeah.
They gave us this for, I guess, a little appetizer thing, I guess.
Pass.
And then they gave us this little, like, they came up, it was rolled up, there's a wet towel. Yeah, heated. I had to see what to do with it. I was just out there for a minute, and then I was like, oh, thank you. But I thought it was like a sushi roll at first, but yeah, it was nice. I feel upskelly. Jeremy's sushi. Mine was this chicken thing. I'm really not sure what I ordered, but it's
Misunderstood
chicken
it.
and, yeah, spicy, sweet stuff.
Like a sweet chili
Yeah.
sauce. It does sweet ginger, marinated thigh meat, sweet fried chili sauce. Excellent. Thank you. Round 3.
Yeah, just kind of another plate of food. I didn't realize. It's chicken on top of noodles, I guess.
Yeah.
And look at Jeremy's
3rd roll. Oh my gosh.
3rd roll.
That's got raw
Gonna
fish.
do it.
I'm going to eat some of it. I don't think I can eat all that. There's no
Yeah.
way.
Here's our little towel animal. Not too sure what it is, but I think it's a seal or something because it's holding that maybe.
Or is it just a decorative design? I don't know.
Oh, could be. See on here
Elephant?
they're gonna have a reception thing at 10:30 tomorrow. And get a glass of champagne. There's the cruise campus we'll go look through. We're gonna go play some mini golf. He's gonna get a hole in one, I have a feeling. We're gonna do it tomorrow. We didn't get to do it tonight. It's the basketball courts.
Seen people out there playing soccer yet earlier today.
Playing soccer?
Yeah, they're using that side of the court.
Oh, that's neat.
Soccer nets, and they're
Yeah.
just a little small half through game of soccer. I thought that was pretty cool. Allie found the perfect seat.
Yeah. It is. Perfect.
I can't. I'll end up breaking it. My butt too wide.
I see the picture.
Yep. That would make it official, wouldn't
Yeah.
it? Flamingo on there too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.